Hello, ChoroQ collectors. So I got an interesting one. It's a riot police vehicle. Now I wasn't even aware that Japanese people do riots. Like I think of like the L.A. riots, where they burned the city and like looted all the stores. But apparently it does happen. It's just hidden from a lot of the Western press. It seems like they're rioting all sorts of summits and meetings and protesting stuff. So it actually makes sense that they have riot police vehicles. So here's an image over here of a water cannon. This is a different one. So, okay, well, now we know. Let's put those away. Don't want to see a bunch of disturbing images. So it says here on the bottom, Targa. That's I think a retail chain in Japan, and they commissioned ChoroQ to make stuff. So this is from 2007, and I don't know what that is, but I think that's the police emblem. It's got some white tires, but I think that film just rubs off, and the tires are good to go. This is a pullback toy. Yeah. Okay, well, it's got some sort of funky disc wheels. I guess those are riot wheels or something. There's a tempo print of a screen for that window. All these things are actually molded into the body, so it's kind of very three-dimensional, this thing. And for some reason, there's a different color in these, and that's black. And then there's some Japanese text. Red on blue is not the best contrast. A vent of some sort. Some printed on headlights behind some grates. That police badge. Some black paint here for that vent. And again, the windscreen here is got some netting or metal grates. Keep Molotov cocktails out of the cabin. This looks like a mirror image here of the other side. You got some stubby mirrors. You got the coin holder. You have an asymmetric rear, a rear light. Maybe that's the exhaust, and a camera, and the armored door with a slot. And then up here we got some boxes, maybe some lights, some vents for aircon, and then a turret, a water cannon turret. Doesn't come off, but it does spin mostly until it collides here. So interesting for sure. I'm not sure why there's a box here with an opening. I wonder if this piece is missing. Maybe there's a roll bar here, but it's gone now. Okay, well, let's look at some other random ChoroQs. So I actually reviewed a different Riot vehicle a long time ago. This one actually has better wheels. It is based off of a bus body, but they still put on like some sort of water turret, but it doesn't spin or anything like that. This thing is from '04. And then I have these two fire trucks. This fire engine is like the same body. It has a flip down shield. The same wheels, different colors. So maybe that's why that thing is so detailed, because it was originally meant to be a fire truck. It looks like a fire truck tank. Like it bursts through walls and then puts out the fire maybe. And then I have another one which actually has a bulldozer front end. So that's why those holes are there, so they could have this. I see now. Okay, and then the Target Japan also had this like 24 TV show set, and this is a counter-terrorist unit van. It looks like a Dodge van. Doesn't say it, but so interesting. ChoroQ just branches out everywhere because they've been around doing this for over 4 decades. I guess this is my finest deformed riot vehicle now. Not that it was my intention to ever collect them. Here's a little Bandai Stormtrooper. I think this is called the Enforcer Stormtrooper. It lays down the law. Okay, well, thanks for watching today. Interesting stuff. We'll see you the next time we get another weird ChoroQ.